What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Fetch, wanted to do a bit of an update. Yesterday we covered it, of course. After the video yesterday, I think what we said would happen actually also happened. So that's always great. But no, in general what happens is that, and we've talked about this, and I'll give you a full update on Fetch, alright? So I'll tell you when I will buy, etc. Right now, obviously, or at least I think the AI narrative has a lot of potential, and I already bought Ajax and Render, all right? So I'm not 100% sure if I will buy Fetch, but I will tell you when I would have bought or when I would buy Fetch. But no, yesterday what we did is we hit this major resistance level, which you could also see historically at 2.5 and 2.55. Strong resistance level, and in general what was also the case yesterday is that there was quite a high likelihood that Bitcoin might get a pullback. We were trading in low volume market circumstances, so then it becomes quite likely we get that pullback. So what I told you yesterday is that, all right, well, just be careful for that, all right? Maybe we're going to pull back into 2.35, maybe even here, that's why I drew this, maybe even down towards 2.25, 2.27. So we got that pullback. But since then, and like I said, if you think about the fundamentals of the AI narrative, this was the most likely scenario. All right, we have NVIDIA earnings May the 22nd. We have a lot of great open AI developments coming very, very soon. So that was most likely. And we also looked at the spot buying from Fetch, which was super bullish since last week, Thursday. That's still stable, even though we had a bit of a sell-off yesterday. The momentum also stayed relatively stable and also went up a ton since Friday. So just in general, I'm bullish on Fetch. All right, the fundamentals are bullish. I see no reason, if I look at the technicals, to be bearish on this. Now, then the main question is well, when would I buy Fetch? And that's just waiting for some sort of a breakout. I think right now the situation is very different, but the price levels we're in are quite the same as the 21st of April. Right, I think we're stuck between 2.5 right here and 2.35. And back then, the market circumstances were a little bit less bullish, and also the AI narrative was not really popping off as we see right now. So right now, again, we are between 2.5 and 2.35, but Bitcoin is stronger, so the market is stronger, and there's a more clear idea behind the AI narrative. And apart from that, if you look at this, look, back then the momentum also increased a ton for Fetch, but the total momentum, the total open interest right now, and I think the structure is now more bullish than back then, even though it's quite identical, right? So that might not be the best. That might not be the best thing to look at if you want to say that, all right, this time is different. This time I expect us to break above 2.5 and 2.55 and rally up higher. But I do think that's the case. Right, so right now we're just waiting for that breakout. I think it's fair to assume that maybe we will consolidate in here for a bit longer, because we are waiting for some sort of a new momentum to kick in for the AI narrative. And if you look at the market right now, sure, some AI cryptos are quite strong, but there's no clear momentum push for AI cryptos across the board. All right, so that's what I'm waiting for, that breakout above 2.5, 2.55. If we do get a clear breakout above that, and you also see momentum behind AI or Bitcoin, then I would enter. For now, I would just kind of lay low, just wait for us to consolidate, wait for a breakout. I mean, in the end, if Bitcoin gets a pullback and Fetch drops down below 2.35, we can also still turn bearish, or at least drop down lower. If you, for example, look at this trend line right here. We could drop down to that. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.